If you want to lock a channel on Discord so only specific people can see it, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. This is perfect if you're running a private community, a team server, a study group, or any channel that should not be open to everyone. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make a channel private and control exactly who can access it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Discord web in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside, open the server that contains the channel you want to lock. Make sure you are in the correct server before changing anything, because these settings only apply to the channel inside that specific server. Next, look through your channel list and hover over the channel you want to lock. When you hover over it, you should see a small gear icon or settings icon appear. Click that icon to open the channel settings. This is where Discord lets you control the channel's permissions and visibility. Inside the channel settings, go to the Overview tab, or the first tab if your Discord layout looks a little different. This section contains the main options for the channel, including the privacy controls you need. Now find the private channel toggle. This is the key setting that locks the channel down. Turn the private channel toggle on. As soon as you do that, Discord will ask you who should still be allowed to access the channel. This is important because locking a channel does not mean nobody can see it. It means you get to choose exactly which roles or members can still view and use it. At this point, select the specific roles you want to allow, or choose individual members if you only want certain people to have access. For example, you might allow moderators, admins, or a small private group while blocking everyone else. Take your time here and make sure the right people are selected, because this determines who will stay inside the channel and who will be locked out. Once you've chosen the access permissions, click Save Changes. Discord will apply the new settings right away. After that, the channel will be private, and only the roles or members you selected will be able to see it. Everyone else will be fully locked out, meaning they won't be able to view the channel or type in it. And that's it. You've now locked a Discord channel and made it private using the built-in channel settings. If you ever need to unlock it again, you can go back into the same settings and turn off the private channel option or adjust the allowed roles and the members. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Discord how-to tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.